saw in his hand, man. Insane things you get to see in Bandra. So today there was going to be no vlog, but since I started shooting, I said I have to do it. I am with GP. What's up, guys? Once again on vlog. We are in the middle of a signal on SV Road, and this is where I started my vlog. Actually, the thing was that both me and GP were discussing. Now that we started shooting something that we saw on the road, and now that I've started, I have to complete it. What's happening, guys? So I'm at car station, just gonna meet Urvashi. She's grocery shopping. Then I might be going to Hill Road because she wants to buy some stuff. I'll also take you through a tour of Bandra's Hill Road a little bit today. What's up, guys? I'm at the really noisy Hill Road. I'm at a really cool shop called Tantra. I don't know if you guys have heard of their t-shirts. They have some of the best printed t-shirts in India. Urvashi is inside. The shop's really small. I don't think that they let me film inside, so I'm just standing outside and taking in all the noise of Hill Road. Check it out. What's up? So Urvashi didn't find anything in Tantra, so this is shop number 2. So can you see this old woman behind me? She thinks I'm illegally filming her. Like, you know, I don't know if you could see her, but at the shop, she was thinking that I'm illegally filming their clothes and I'm going to rob their designs or something. People in India are so shucky, especially these old people. But I love playing into their conspiracy that I'm doing something wrong, you know. So I was looking suspicious about it. What's up? That was Smarty Pants chilling. And yeah, just back. 1 second. So just back from Hill Road and didn't get anything. Urvashi finished shopping. And yeah, now I'm just going to continue the rest of my day, which I don't know. It's a Saturday night. I would like to go out, but I, as usual, have no plans. Come here, baby. Scratching time. Scratching time. Smarty Pants. You love it? Say bye, Smarty. Bye, Smarty. Smarty having scratch sessions in the evening. What's up, guys? So I don't think you can see, but there's a storm brewing outside. There was a storm in the morning as well, and while it stormed outside, I decided to somewhat make something to eat like I usually do. But here I'm not completely made it, so let's check it out. This is what I'm. So those aren't, modaks or anything, but yeah, they are basically some veg momos that my cook made. Didn't completely make. I still have to steam them. So let me start that.
Lost in the night, rekindle my life.
Let's check on them in 15 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes. Time to check on the momos. Let's do this. So this pan is going to be like really hot. Can you see the steam coming out of it? Well, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. Oh God. I think I steamed this up also. But look at that. They look nice and sorry again, amazing. And here I've got some Szechuan sauce. It's all homemade, guys. Take a look.
Try to maintain it, but when you get here, it's suddenly wasted. Oh, baby.
Time to eat some delicious momos in the best momo weather in Bombay that you can. I haven't done absolutely anything this evening. I came home, I cooked food, I watched a lot of Amazon Prime, especially my favorite show right now, which is Elementary season 5. I've just started it. I thought I'll take some time off. But like I told you, today's vlog, actually there was not going to be a vlog today, but I started shooting, those guys cutting down those trees, the BMC guys, and I started shooting it, and I thought, now that I've started, I should make a vlog out of it, and once I did start, I realized that, my God, I don't have any content for today. But if you start something, I feel you should finish it, because if you don't finish it, it'll happen once, twice, and then I don't know, it just makes me feel like extremely guilty when I start something and I cannot finish it. I always realize that whenever I start something, things don't always go according to plan. I have started things with a lot of planning and they have never worked out. But the things I started without wanting to get popular or without wanting to get the numbers or without wanting to get anything anywhere big with it, just because it was a hobby or it was something really fun or it was something I like to do, it organically became successful or big. And out of that I got a great life lesson. When you start something, to have fun because you really like it, because you push the play button and you realize that shit, I started something, I want to complete it, not because I want like the world to see it, because I want to do it for myself. And I think that is why this vlog is really important to me. I've started it not for any numbers, not to get big. It's something that I always wanted to do, never got time to do it or never got down to doing it. This vlog, I have realized one thing, I've made a lot of videos, a lot of films, a lot of things, even when I was a journalist, as on a multimedia level, on a client level, where I started to open my own company and did it for other people. Pressing upload is more and uploading this video on YouTube, is much more satisfying to a person like me than submitting anything, any sort of video, branded content, short film that I have ever done to a client. I don't know why it is, but just hitting that upload button is just so amazing. Now this is my, I think, 32nd vlog. And yeah, it's just amazing. I hope you guys are having that much fun. I hope I won't bore you at the end. But I just want to really say this. Keep coming back. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. Please do hit that bell button so that you always know when I put something. Subscribe to my channel. It'll help me. I know it's not about growth, but it feels nice to be appreciated, doesn't it? I'm going to leave you here. Have a great week ahead, guys. See you. Take care. Good night.